Welcome back to Life with Kenny, guys, and in today's video I have another unboxing for you. As you guys know, or you might not know, I love to use Ridgid products. Not only are they good, they're durable, but guess what? They got a lifetime warranty. All you gotta do is just register your product. Alright? I'm not working for Ridgid though, but big up. Anyway, Ridgid, if you seeing this, send me some tools, alright? Anyway, so in today's video, guess what I got? I got a planer. Yeah. I've been wanting one of these for a while now, so let's unbox this bad boy and let's get it going because I have another video to make right after this one and you guys are gonna see it and we need this bad boy for that. All right, so let's get right into it. And if you're new, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment, all right? This is Life with Kenny. I'm your boy Kenny. Let's get it going. Still don't have my box cutter. I don't know where it's at, or my utility knife, so the chisel, let's get it in. So originally when I bought this at Home Depot. I had to go all the way to Bloomfield, Connecticut. That's like a long drive. As usual, manual. Yo, you know somebody bought this before? Don't look like they used it though. Somebody definitely bought this. Maybe I should have flipped it. I don't know. Anyway. Woo! Seems like it wasn't used, so I guess we good. If you're as weak as me, get two people, okay? Because you need two people to lift this bad boy out. So guys, my tools are finally coming along. My shop is coming together. I mean, it's not a shop, it's my basement. I just got some tools down there. It's the same difference. So, the only thing we got was this in a manual. I don't like to read, so yeah. So I think this is pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. So this looks like the knob to lower and raise the planer. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get that attached to the top. There's a small washer inside that you put on before you screw it in. All right, so the knob is on. Guess I might have to read the manual. Yaliwal. Assembly and operation. So let's go to 10 and 11. 10 and 11 reads, and I quote, so we just got to turn the knob on. Next we're gonna, I wish they had given me a dust bag. I don't know. Maybe I'm not that special. Ridgid, why couldn't we get a dust bag? I mean, not everybody has a shop and a shop vac and all that. But anyway, let's get this bad boy on. So, since Ridgid did not give me a dust bag, I'm gonna be making a mess, but I'll figure that part out later. I'll clean it up. Or, where's my vac? My vac is over there. I might use my vac. All right, but anyway, let's get this bad boy hooked up and see what we're working with today, all right? As I said, the tool for this piece is in it's in the side, so when it's facing you, it's in the left side. When it's facing, it's in the left side, so remember to check that out. But anyway, It has a notch right here on the side. Common sense. So I tried the two hoses that I have. This is the biggest one and it doesn't fit. So I guess I'm gonna have to get an adapter. I wish they had made it so it would just fit. So far that's the only issue I have with it. I didn't use it yet though. And I'm not a professional. So as I said, don't quote me. Okay? But it's pretty simple to set up. It's plug and play. Let's turn this bad boy back around. Let's get into some more features of this thing. As I said, this is the knob that brings it up or down. Let's get these out because we're not gonna play in these. All right, so a few things to go over before we turn this bad boy on. That bad boy's off. All right, so this is a switch right here, and I like this though. You gotta pull this out to lock it. So hold on, look. It's on, it's off. If you pull it out, you can't turn it on. So don't lose this. I wish it was more secure where, you know what? I'm gonna have to keep this by myself somewhere. I mean, I'm the only one using this, so I ain't got no kids coming down here or anything. But that's pretty cool, I like that. What you do basically is you load whatever boards you're gonna be playing in here. And there's a little ball under here. It's like if you push it down, it goes all the way up. And I guess that would tell the machine how deep you want the cut to be. You know, that's cool. So be mindful of that. This is the E shortcut. And what this does basically, after you get whatever measurements you're working with and you put your board under, you lock it. And that ensures that this bad boy don't shift or move to give you any uneven planes. All right. Boom. As I said, this is the knob. All you gotta do is turn clockwise to bring it up, anti-clockwise to go down, or anti-clockwise. This repeater cut button is very cool because if I'm doing a project, right? All right, see, I'm gonna be doing a project right now, and whatever I'm playing in, it needs to be an inch thick, an inch and a quarter, or an inch and a half. See, it can't move. That's what I'm talking about. So basically what happens is whatever depth you want to go, once you get to that depth, the machine will not go any lower. Let's unlock this. Yep, I'm feeling some resistance right now. I can't get the machine to go any lower than this, guys. And that's pretty cool. I like that feature. Ridgid, I really enjoy that feature. That's pretty nice. So, repeater cut. Whatever measurement you want to go down to. Whoop, can't even move it. That's nice. Hold on. It's pretty cool. So how about we just hook this bad boy up to some electricity and give it a run, and we'll see what happens. We're gonna give it a shot with this 2x4 right now and see what's up. Okay, so let's load this 2x4 in, and then we'll see what's happening, all right? So let's just fix that real quick. Always remember to lock it once you get to where you're going, okay? Moment of truth, guys. Guys, this thing is awesome. It did not disappoint. Look how smooth that was. Look how smooth that was. I want to thank you guys for watching so far. That was the Ridgid planer, guys. And this bad boy and I are going to have so much fun together. It definitely came out real nice. This was just the first plane though, so I'm going to have to go at it again. But, you know, as I said, I'm going to be using this bad boy in another video that I'm going to be making right now. So just click the link just click the link above. It's on this side or at this side. Click the link and make sure you subscribe, but also watch the other video that I'm gonna do right now. All right, this is Life with Kenny. Thank you guys for tuning in. As I said, it was just a brief unboxing because I was proud of myself for getting this planer. Now I'm about to use it again and see what happens. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.